What a waste of a perfectly good lollipop! Well, at least we can have some fun with it. Wait, I wouldn't lick that if I were you.
Yuck!
Ew, a zit! Careful where you aim that. She's melting! Melting! Oh, wait, never mind. Though I'm starting to wish she had. Girls, it's playtime! Ooh, a bubble machine! Wow, this toy really helps you hold your breath!
Wow.
Do you think it will blow away the competition? Let's see what our angel's got up her sleeve. We'll need half a bottle and some straws. Cut them into place. Tie it to a fan. And get things started.
Wow!
Now close your mouth before one flies in.
Hey!
Look, this slime comes with its own, let's say, case. Fancy. Ew. Well, we can make our own slime. Mix up some whipped cream and marshmallows. Add some heat and some toppings. Just keep on mixing. You want to know the best part? It tastes great too.
Wow!
How many licks does it take to reach the center? None. Just chew it. Besides, we need the straw to blow up our bubble paste. Make whatever you want. Of course, she has more fun destroying. Any ideas? Let's heat up some gummy bears. Ooh, careful, it's spilling over. We're gonna need another straw. Now blow a great big, and did I mention edible, bubble. Aw, what cute little slugs. Careful now.
Wow!
She doesn't like to share. Honestly, I'm surprised you got that paper. Slice it. Roll it up and add a face at the end. Almost done. We just need sticks to help him walk. Ooh, a vending machine. Got a coin? That'll do it. A bug? Oh, now she wants to share. Well, it is a good source of protein. Ooh, with all this trash, we can make our own cardboard machine. Just needs a little pixie dust, by which I mean glitter. And what's a candy machine without a prize? Now the candy's yours, all at the push of a button. Don't bite it. This kit needs some special tools. Keep chipping away until you find those fossils. It's always in the last space you look. I think we found something. It's a leg! Just what Mr. T-Rex needed. And just in time for fetch! Fetch! Well, we can make our own buried treasure game. Of course, we start with treasures. Add water. Freeze it. In lieu of angelic powers, the freezer's fine. Okay, goggles on. It's time to get chipping. Or I guess you could just let it sit in the sun. But come on, where's the fun in that?
Hey! Wow! Yay! Aww.
Ooh, these guys make every day feel like Halloween. Here's something that'll wet your whistle. Hers too. Watch out! Ugh, no one listens to me.
Meh.
Don't get even. Get crafty.
Yes.
Take a little box. Add a little slit. Bring the two boxes together. Now we need an old plastic bottle. Slice the plastic. Add it through the slit. With some folded paper and a sticker.
Wow.
Wow, that's one happy little bunny. Not all unicorns are sweet and friendly. Yeah, I'd be careful getting near that horn.
Yay! Wow.
Now I'm glad unicorns are so hard to find. Aw, don't cry. Let's make our own cuddly buddy. No sewing is required. Just fold up the cloth.
Wow.
And use some rubber bands to keep things in place. You can't go wrong with googly eyes or a big bow. So fun to make, you'll want to make another. Well, that's one way to use your brain.
Ew.
Let's use some of those feathers. Now add a plastic bottle and a balloon.
Hey.
All together, it's a feathered friend with squishy eyes.
Wow.
Frankenstein's greatest creation, the retractable neck. Apparently, he started the trend. Oh, Mr. Giraffe. Wait, his neck doesn't bend. Oh no! Don't worry, we'll fix you right up. Just need a pop tube and some hot glue. His neck will be longer and loopier than ever before. Looks like he's in good company.
Wow.
A robot drawer? Does it hold socks? Oh, no, it draws things. Show it what you want, and away it draws. Ooh, look at those gills. Wow, it's almost as scary as her. Almost. Look, it even takes selfies. Smile. Of course, there are some artistic liberties. Okay, maybe a lot of artistic liberties.
Hey.
Well, we can make our own artwork with some yarn and an empty pen. Add some glue to help it stick. Sketch whatever you feel like drawing. Now it's time for a little trim. Remember, the secret touch is always love. Oh, wind-up toys! And they're going for a run!
Yay!
If we're gonna make our own steppers, we're gonna need to start with some feet. Now add pieces of pencil to a large roll of tape. Let it go for a spin. Hope it knows how to get back. We lose more perfectly good squishies that way. Well, we can use the spare parts.
Yay!
We just need a balloon and some toothpaste. Once it's filled, seal it up nice and tight. Let's add a cover, like an old sock. Cut out some holes. Look what happens with a good squeeze. You should always come to school prepared. but this is just excessive. Besides, you never know what you can find in the hallways. An ancient pop-up toy. Oh, it's missing pieces. Uh-oh, look out!
Oops.
She doesn't look too happy. Quick, shield your face! Maybe it's just me, but she doesn't seem like a very nice person. Aw, don't cry. This'll cheer you up. Huggy Wuggy's in the bonus at the end. Waste Not, Want Not comes to mind. Hey, who invited her? What a cute little pig. You think this'll help her distress? Well, at least she has a smile on her face. For now. Maybe she could make something instead. Ugh, does she have to use old gum? Well, an old balloon, hot glue, and a phone can all work wonders. It's a cute little egg, but she should still probably wash her hands. Oh, now she likes Pop-It toys. Honestly, after what she did, the other girl should just take the toy. But maybe she has a trick up her sleeve with all this tape and construction paper. Now it's coming together. She made a giant Pop-It toy. It's easy to pop, but can you push them back into place?
Ooh.
Oh, just hold it up. Yellow, cyan, and magenta squirrels. Is this where all the printer ink went? You know, I'm starting to think that mean girl needs a new hobby. She's got the right idea making all these crafts. You know, doing something constructive. Oh, look. She made a little house with the ruler. Cut out a hole in the middle. Add our cardboard roll and a balloon. And add those final touches. Add a face, and it's kind of like a little doghouse. How cute.
Ooh.
Squishy pig, squishy squirrels, now cake. Anyone sensing a pattern here? The key here is to think squishy. Any marshmallows? Even better, a sponge. And she's made it into a donut, which is also normally squishy. Pink frosting and sprinkles. It's Homer Simpson approved. This girl really needs to learn to keep her hands, or mouth, to herself. All these stress balls and they don't seem to do a thing for her. Okay, now I'm starting to see what she's doing wrong. You know, no one said we couldn't use leftover parts for our crafts. Just make a clear casing like this and fill it with water beads. It's nice and squishy, and would also make a great Valentine.
Ooh.
You know, for once, I think I'm on the same page with her. Aw, some nice little hearts will liven things up. Making art on paper. What a novel idea. Glad I thought of it. Of course, the real trick will involve a plastic bag and black paint. Tape the bag around the paper and add a border around it. Scratch on anything you want to draw. And it's so easy to erase. And just think of all the money you'll save on chalk. These stress balls seem typical, but they come with a sticky surprise. If you have enough, maybe you could make a necklace. Or you can just throw them on the wall. Either way, seems like a good time. Oh, that was pretty nice of her.
Ooh.
Unless she's up to something. I called it.
Oh.
But once again, maybe balloons can save the day. They look the part. Now some soap and water is needed for the sticky part. Put your hands into it. They each need a nice, good dunk. Give them a nice pat, and voila! They all stick to each other. See? I told you they make good accessories. It looks like you can make a bunch of different shapes with this. Wow, look! It's kind of like a pair of goggles.
Aww.
Any ideas? I would have thought she'd use the cup. Cut up these straws and attach to a pipe cleaner. And you'll have a similar material to the toy. Make everything from a double helix to a bracelet, or 3.